Hello, mathematicians. Would you like to learn a new addition game? I bet you've played this in your classrooms before. I'm going to teach you how to make your own addition bump. So this is how you're going to make the game. You need 8 pieces of paper that are 2 different colors. You need 8 of one color and 8 of another color. So you might go find those. You could pause the video if you wanted, or you can just keep watching and do it after. So you need 8 of each color. On each piece of pink paper, I'm going to call this pile 1, I'm going to put the numbers 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So every pink piece of paper has the numbers from 7 to 14. Okay, on the purple pieces of paper, I'm going to put the numbers 2 through 9. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Now this game is for 1st, 2nd, and 3rd graders. I bet there's some kindergartners that might like playing it, and maybe there's even 4th or 5th graders that might like playing it. So you have 2 stacks. You are going to shuffle these papers up so that all the numbers are mixed up. Shuffle the purple ones too. And then you're going to create your game board. So the game board, you just need a piece of paper. And on that piece of paper, you're going to make an array. Now, if you are a younger student, you might not know what an array is, but I'm going to make a box, a rectangle actually. Okay? And in that rectangle, I'm going to put 3 rows and 5 columns. So I'm going to draw 4 lines, and that's going to help me create 5 columns. How many boxes do you see in my picture? I hope you see 15. Okay, so then you are going to write the numbers from 9 to 23 in these boxes in any random order you want. Everybody's game board will look a little different. So I'll put a 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Okay, and that is your game board. And this game is called Bump. And this is the addition version of Bump. You're going to be adding numbers together. So I'm going to pull the game board down a little bit, put my 2 stacks right above the game board. You need 2 players, and you need colored Legos or something. Each person needs a different color of whatever you use as your game pieces. Okay? So you can have whatever game pieces you want. Each person needs a different color. And I am going to use something around my house. Let's see. Oh, I have colored Easter eggs from Easter still. So I'm going to use colored Easter eggs. So one person will be blue and one person will be green. And you'll understand this game right away, I promise. So I'm going to grab 2 numbers, 12 and 3, and I'm going to create an addition sentence. 12 plus 3 is 15. So each person will create an addition sentence, add the numbers, so 15, and then I'm going to look for the 15 on my game board, set the 2 pieces aside in different piles. So now the next person's going to go. So player 2 gets 13 plus 4. So 13 plus 4 is 17 because 3 plus 4 is 7. So I got 17, and the green person is going to go 17. Okay, let's go again. Ooh, 7 and 5. I know that 7 plus 3 is 10, and 2 more is 12. 7 and 5 makes 12. So I get 12 with my blue marker. Ooh, there's 12. Oh my. Okay. And your goal is to get 3 in a row. And nobody's had to bump anybody yet. So we'll get to that. Okay, it's green's turn. Oh, green got 8 plus 6. Well, I'm going to make a 10 again. 8 and 6 is 14. So 14 for green. Nobody's had to bump anyone off the board yet. Notice that. The first person to get 3 in a row wins the game. Okay, it's blue's turn. Oh, 9 plus 7 is 16. I know that. So now blue gets a 16. Nobody has 3 in a row yet, do they? Okay, green's turn. Oh, 10 and 2 makes 12. So 10 and 2 is 12, and green gets to find the 12. Now, notice, since I'm using Easter eggs, guess what? Blue is on a 12, so I get to bump him off. So blue got kicked off, so green just got the 12. Okay, it's blue's turn. Oh, 14 and 8. Now this answer goes over 20, boys and girls, but you can practice that. 22. 14 plus 8 is 22. So blue just got 22. I got confused. So blue got 22, okay? And then the last one's in the pile is 11 and 9 for green. 11 and 9 make 20. So 11 plus 9 is 20. Green just got 3 in a row. One rule I didn't get to talk about is bumping, becoming safe and not being able to bump someone else off. So I have to shuffle these up though. See, I'm shuffling so I don't get the same numbers again. Shuffling them all up and shuffling all these up. So on a turn, what could happen is a person could get the same answer again. So let's pretend that blue on their next turn gets 16 again. That means they can put 2 of their pieces on the 16, and they have now created a safe spot. And that's how you play the game bump. Okay? Have fun.